So I've got this air conditioner and I've got the bridge carrying done, so I decided that I would get it out of my way and mount it up on one of these shelves. So put a strap across it, bridge crane lifts it with no problem, air operated, super smooth, goes plenty fast. You can slow it down just by pulling on that string at a little slower rate. I was lifting this up and realized that, hey, can't quite lift high enough to get it all the way on top of that top shelf I've got. So here in a second you'll see me, I remove all that wood, and basically I can put that shelf in place right there where that wood is, which is fine because I need to burn all that anyway. It's useless. So I'll burn most of it, but I'll move it to the shelf below here in a second. You'll see, and get this thing there. I am contemplating. So here it is. I moved the stuff off the shelf, put this right up there. It works fine. I just leave the strap on the air conditioner because I'll eventually get it back down, and that the ratchet's rusty anyway, so don't use it much anymore. So there it is. The bridge crane works. Should be able to pick motors and all that stuff. Worked well.